What's up, you guys? It's Ben and welcome back to my channel where we talk about everything there is relating to selling on Amazon. So in today's video, all I wanted to say is happy Prime Day, guys. Thank God finally it has arrived. Now, for those of you guys that don't know, Amazon Prime Day is simply a made-up holiday by Amazon, very cleverly I might add, where they basically bring a lot of the products that they sell themselves on a discount. Now, what they also do is spend an enormous amount of advertising and marketing campaigns on various newspapers, websites, social media and stuff to basically get as much traction, as much attention to this Prime Day as you can possibly can. Now, previously before it used to be just one day, however, now they've extended it into two, and in my personal opinion, in the next few years, they'll probably make it a Prime Week. And this is the time where us sellers can actually finally enjoy and rest a little bit and actually see the sales coming in that are quite substantially higher than the usual. Now, in my personal case, the sales that you should be expecting, in my personal opinion, is usually around 1.5 to 2 times higher to what your usual sales are. So for me at the moment, my sales are anything between 1.8 to 2,000 pounds a day. So that should go up to around 3 to maybe 3,500 pounds, roughly around there. Of course, that depends on what kind of products you're selling, how many products you're selling, and the price that you're selling them at the moment. Now, some of you may have been kind of surprised why I'm doing a video now as opposed to earlier, and you know, what is there to prepare, to be honest, for Amazon Prime Day. And to be completely honest, guys, Amazon Prime is kind of, to me, like a preparation for Christmas. You have to prepare well in advance to make sure you are in stock for Amazon Prime Day, to make sure that your prices are all correct, to make sure that your PPC campaigns are all correct. This is like a trial period for you, to be honest, to make sure how well prepared you are for Prime Day, because the sales that you're going to be seeing right now, roughly around, like I said, 1.5 to 2 times your usual amount, is what you're going to be seeing during the Christmas time. So during the Christmas time, just as something to speak about as well, it usually starts for us Amazon FBA sellers the last week of November, and it stretches all the way up to about 2 days before Christmas, where Amazon shoppers really go onto Amazon and spend all of their money effectively on various gift items and so on. And it is important, guys, for me to stretch this to you, okay? It's so important to prepare for these times. It's important to prepare for the Prime Day, but it's even more important to prepare for Christmas. So when it comes around Christmas time, guys, I want to really to make sure you have as many products as possible selling, you have as much inventory available for sale around that Q4 period. Now, with so many things at the moment going on, such as the shipping issues, such as increased supplier costs, such as increase of raw materials and so on, make sure you start thinking about these things now. So when it comes to Q4, you are not left behind of various products still coming in not on time, for example. So with that being said, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Like I said, there's not much else I can add to it. Obviously, in the next video, I will be sharing what my sales have been during Prime Day, so you compare it to yours. For those of you guys that are selling at the moment, like I said, congratulations. It's a happy time to be an Amazon FBA seller. And for those of you guys that are not selling at the moment, this is the time to sell. This is the time. It's the golden age of e-commerce, in my opinion, at the moment, not just on Amazon FBA, but e-commerce in general. So if you haven't started, use this video as motivation to get started in setting up your own limited company, to get started in setting up your business account and start researching products for you to start selling, so you can take some of this advantage that we are experiencing at the moment. You can join the club, so to speak, around the Christmas time. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.